Hi everyone, my name is Carmelo Vaticino. I'm the corporate chef for Ethnic Knives. Today we're going to be talking about the RS-75 Sharpener. We have our RS-75 powered up, wheels are spinning, we have our safety wear on, and we have a dry, clean knife. It's extremely important. If there's any residue or any water or any liquids on it, what that'll do is gum up your wheels, and once the wheel is gummed up, you'll have to replace them. So lifespan on it will be half. Also, you'll get the best edge off of a dry, clean knife. We're going to line up the blade right now to get it sharpened. The RS-75 does come with a little notch here on the sharpener. That little notch will actually give you the center of the stone. So if you line up your knife to that notch from the heel to the tip, start that way and bring it through. 3 or 4 strides is plenty. No pressure is needed. Very important. Do not apply pressure. If you apply pressure, the only thing that you will be doing is using up your diamonds on the wheel, and you will have to replace your wheels quicker. So the actual weight of the blade is plenty of weight. So if you have a 6-inch blade or a 10-inch blade, that's all you need is the weight of the blade. Again, line it up. I'm following the little notch, pull it through, starting from the heel right to the tip. This is the same application to a curved 6-inch from the heel right down to the tip. You got yourself a very sharp knife. Here's another tip. After sharpening your knife, running it 3 or 4 times, you're going to want to remove the burr on the blade. Remove the burr, you can easily just bring it to a honing rod and a fast swipe down. And you'll have a clean blade. So we're going to talk a little bit about the grinding stone, the diamond wheels, when to replace them, and when to know if they need to be replaced. So brand new stone, as you see in the picture here, it is very vibrant. You see all the diamonds. It's really shiny. It's ready for use. So that stone there, if the RS-75 is used properly, you got up to 3,000 strides. So that is a lot of sharpenings. Halfway through, you start losing some color to the shine. You see a little bit more carbon in it. That means you're 50% in. 50% in, you still got a lot of sharpening life on it. You're still good to go. No need to replace that wheel. When you start seeing silver or actually like a chrome finish on it, the diamonds are gone, that's time to change your wheels. We're going to talk a little bit about the belts on these machines. These are belt driven. So you'll see here there are 2 different size belts. So the larger belt will go on the RS-75 and RS-150. The RS-150 does also have a smaller belt that will run the honing. So RS-150, both belts. RS-75, only 1 belt. Really simple to replace. It is all in the instruction manual. This information is available, and we will have this sent to you. How do you know when you need to replace the belt? You'll see that the wheel starts slowing down. They just don't spin as fast as they used to. So that means the belt was stretched, or it simply does not spin. If it's not spinning, the belt snapped or fell off. Good reason to change it. Lifeline on these, you're looking at around a year and a half. So every, let's say 16 months would be a good idea to order a new set of belts.